Good morning guys, in front of me is Novice Phone 2 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. Then tap on More icon and select History. Here go to Clear Browsing Data and you can find here basic and advanced features. So under basic you can mark browsing history, cookies and site data and cache images and files. And then under advanced you've got few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Mark this info that you want to remove, then pick the time range and click on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.